Hello guys, my name is Graham O and this channel is the Fresh Money Makers channel. Guess what? I'm here to introduce you to a program that I was introduced to by my friend about 1.5 weeks ago. What he was making money online for about 3 months now since he have joined the program, and he withdraw over 170 plus JMB from that program within 3 months. Now when he told me about the program, man, I said, why did you wait so long to tell your friends about it? You're there making money. He said, based on the fraudulent things that's going on nowadays, with scamming and all of that, he wanted to test it out first and to see that it's legit before he introduced some money to it. And because he did that, when he introduced me to it, right off the bat, I was convinced and I signed up right there. And I'm not regretting it. Trust me, it's legit. So, if you are at home, you don't have a job, you want to make some funds, if you have a 9 to 5 and you want to make some extra funds, this is the place to be. So it is called Global Manpower. You spend just about 2 to 3 to 5 minutes per day and you get paid, right? It is a little company. So what Global Manpower is about is they sign a contract. This company sign a contract with some big top brand companies like Nike, Adidas, you name it, Puma, all sort of brand companies. Now, what they have is a tax rebate program, a tax rebate or a tax refund. So this is the money that they use to pay and to buy the products. Now, what you do on a daily basis is that you go on the Global Manpower app, and what you do, you sign up, you'll be given a work package. There's different work levels. You are from level 1 up to level 5. I think they recently add level 6 and level 7. The higher level, the more money you make, the more tasks you get to do work per day, and the more money you make per day. Now, it is an invitational program, so when somebody send the link to you, you click on that link, you sign up to the program, you start your day internship. After you finish that, you contact the person that you had signed you up, and they'll take your application from there. They'll instruct you what to do as going forward. I'll be leaving a link under this video. You can also leave in my contact. If you're interested, you can hit me up with a WhatsApp or Instagram, and I'll instruct you what to do from there. As I'm saying, it's a way to make some extra funds. Whether you have a 9 to 5 or whether you're sitting at home, you don't have a job to do, and you want to make some cash, this is a way to make some extra money. And as I said, it is proven, it is legit. Okay, so I've not done my daily task as yet. I was saving to do my daily task for this video to show as an example of what you do per day. So just stay tuned. I'm gonna drop a video right now. Okay guys, so this is what the app looks like. So this is it right over here, Global Manpower. This is a app that you're going to have to sign into. You're also going to need a digital wallet. I use Paxful. You're going to need that. This is where you're going to transfer the money you've earned. Global Manpower, you're going to transfer it to Paxful, and from Paxful to your bank account. Alright? So we're going to click in on Global Manpower now to do our daily task. So we go here. I'm just going to log in with your phone number. Okay, when you're logged in, this is what the home screen will look like. This is how it's set up. You have about us, so you can read up about the company. Over here we have the tutorial to teach you how to do how and what to do. Activity center, you have here is where you purchase your work level. So the VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3. As I said, the higher level VIP you purchase, that's the higher level work level you're at, and you earn more money. More tasks per day, more money per day, more money per month. So withdraw, you go on here to withdraw your money. You download the app to your phone right here. At the bottom of the screen you will see home. We are at the home page now. On team, this is where you see where the total number of team members you have introduced, and it will show you how much persons you have signed up per day. It will show you the commission, that the bonus that you are making from the invitational persons that you have invited over here. Promotional center. Now promotional center is where it shows you the work level. So VIP 0 basically is your internship. VIP 0 internship, you get 3 tasks to do per day and you get $1 per day. So it's 3 days worth of internship. Since recently they have cut it down to 1 day. You have only 1 day of internship. After that you can purchase your work level. Now this is how it works. VIP 1, where I'm currently at, you make a work deposit of $100. Now this deposit is only a one-time deposit. So the program is a contract for 1 year. This is, so say you sign up in January, you make a deposit of $100 in January. Now you get 4 tasks to do at level 1 per day. Now this is $1 US per task, so you'll be making $4 a day, and for the end of the month you'll be making $120. Now as I said, this out here is a one-time deposit. You're not going to be depositing this money every month to make back 120. That wouldn't make any sense. So you make this deposit January. By January month end, you'll be making back $120. February month end, you'll be making another $120, and it goes right through the year. At the end of the year, if you decide that you want to terminate your contract, you don't want to go any further, then you will be refunded your $100 deposit money that you have deposited in January. So you have been making $120 every month. But this deposit, you will get it back if you decide not to continue. If you decide to continue into another year, they will continue to hold on to that $100 for you. Alright, level 2, $300, 6 tasks per day. You get $12 daily, so it's $2 per task, and you'll be making $360 per month, every month until the end of the year. And it goes on. $1,000. I think by the end of this month, I want to upgrade to VIP 2. Yes, I'm currently at VIP 1. I'm going to upgrade to VIP 2. As I said, I started 2.5 weeks ago when my friend introduced this to me. So by the end of the month, I'm going to upgrade to VIP 2. Alright. So and it goes on. The more you deposit, the more you make daily, the more you make monthly. And the deposit only a one-time deposit. Alright, for the bonuses, you don't want to go into this video, but just a quick synopsis. Say you are at VIP 1, you invite somebody that, if that's somebody you invite, sign up to the program and start working. Just then you get a $6 bonus for that one person. If that one person sign up somebody, you get a $4 bonus. And if that other person sign up another person, you get $2 from that person. Understand? So there's 3 levels. Each invite, so you invite somebody and that person in turn invite another person, you still get a bonus from that. Alright? And the bonuses, there are different detailed bonus that you can make where it comes down to inviting people, but you don't have to invite anybody. As I said, this program, persons are skeptical when they hear about depositing the work deposit, and when they hear about inviting people to make the commission, they are saying this is a scheme. And this is not a scheme. You don't have to invite anybody. You just gotta purchase your work deposit, work your money, and you're making your money monthly. That's it, extra money. So if you find yourself with some money put down, you have a saving, it's an investment, you put in your $100, and every month from then you're making $120. It's worth it. I've seen it, I've proven it. My friend, as I said, my friend have drawn over 170 plus K Jamaican dollars from this, right? So I've seen it work, and I'm doing it. Now, what you will be doing, this is your account. You go on me, it shows your account, it shows you the amount of money at the top you see work deposit, that's what you deposit in. Your current balance, it shows your current balance. So far I've made $56 US. That would be $8,488 Jamaican dollars. So the overall amount, it shows your total money that you have earned. I've earned up to $10,474. And if you want to go ahead and draw money just to see that it works, you can, at that first week, you can draw your money and you see the money reflecting in your bank account. There will be other videos coming to show you how to withdraw your money, how to link up your Paxful account to your global manpower account. All of that will be coming in the recent video. So this is just an invitational video, just to inform and to invite, to show you what's going on. Now, for my daily task, at the bottom of the screen you see shopping. You're going to click on shopping. I am currently at VIP 1, so you're going to pick the VI at the top of the screen. Pick the VIP level that you're currently working under. I'm at VIP 1. Now what you're going to do is simple as this. You go on an item, any item. You click buy. You click submit order at the end of the screen. And you click confirm. And it's done. Now I'm going to repeat this 4 times since I am at level 1, so I get 4 tasks to do per day. So I go ahead and do that 4 times. Okay. So that's 4. Now watch this. If I go on to do another one, submit, it's going to tell me task is over for the day. Alright, so only have 4 tasks to do per day, and that's it. I'm done. Now you give this about 2 to 3 to 5 minutes and you will see it reflect in your account. So I'm currently at $8,488. Right? It shows it right here. That is my current balance. Down here is my total I've made so far. So give this about 3 to 5 minutes. You can log out, and after that you log in back, and you will see it reflecting in your account. Alright, I'm back. So as I said, after 5 minutes it will reflect in your account. So as you see, the balance have changed. We were at $56. I've gotten my $4 in the account, so now it's at $60. In Jamaican that would be $9,089, and the total here move up to $11,000. Alright, okay guys, there you have it. As I said, the links are in the description. Press that subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, Fresh Money Makers. Hit that post notification bell. Let's start making that extra money. Let's start earning that daily extra bonus when you invite your friends and your families. Okay guys, see you in the other video. I'm out.